Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. What if we could predict the future of the economy? What would be the consequences of our investment strategies? Imagine a world where we can anticipate the ebbs and flows of the financial market. Understanding economic predictions is crucial. It's like having a compass in the vast ocean of finance, guiding our investment strategies, helping us navigate through stormy waters, and keeping us on course towards our financial goals. Now let's shift our focus to an individual who has been a beacon of wisdom in the world of finance, Charlie Munger. Known for his insightful and often accurate predictions, Munger is a well-respected investor whose words carry substantial weight in the financial world. His predictions for 2024 have been a hot topic of discussion, stirring interest and curiosity amongst investors worldwide. So, as we prepare to dive into the crystal ball of Charlie Munger's predictions, consider this. How will these forecasts shape your approach to investment? With the right understanding and strategic application, these predictions could be the key to unlocking your financial success. Munger stated, "It's going to be harder for the present generation to get rich because there's more competition," at Zoomtopia as the keynote speaker. Charlie Munger, a renowned investor, has made some bold predictions for 2024. First off, Munger foresees a shift in the technology sector. He believes that the era of rapid growth for tech giants may slow down, given the increasing regulatory scrutiny these companies face and the saturation of their markets. "You have to get better and better or you will lose. Try harder, work harder, and you'll do better," Munger added, suggesting people spend less than they earn and invest their savings. Souse, Yahoo Finance. Secondly, Munger predicts a resurgence in the manufacturing industry. He bases this on the current trends of businesses reevaluating their dependence on outsourcing. A move towards local production could boost the economies of industrial regions. Next, Munger points towards a potential change in the real estate market. He suggests that the soaring prices could stabilize as the market corrects itself from the unprecedented boom during the pandemic. Lastly, he warns of a possible rise in inflation. This prediction stems from the aggressive fiscal policies adopted worldwide to combat the economic fallout of the pandemic. These predictions, bold as they may be, are not just mere speculations. They are based on years of experience and deep understanding of the market dynamics. Munger argued, "It's going to be way harder for the group that is graduating from college now," he said, during Daily Journal's shareholder meeting last year. "For them to get rich and stay rich and so forth, it's going to be way harder for them than it was for my generation." Yahoo Finance. So, what does all this mean for you as an investor? Charlie Munger's predictions for the year 2024 point towards a future that's both exciting and challenging. If these predictions come to fruition, they could significantly reshape your investment strategies and the broader economy. For instance, his prediction about the rise of digital currencies could mean that traditional investments in physical assets may not yield the same returns as before. It might be time to start exploring the digital frontier. On the other hand, his forecast about the shift in global economic power suggests that investing in emerging markets could become more lucrative. However, it also brings in a level of uncertainty, as these markets can be volatile. Buffett disagreed with the following, when Munger said, "I think value investors are going to have a harder time now that there's so many of them competing for a diminished bunch of opportunities," he said. "So, my advice to value investors is to get used to making less." Buffett, however, still feels that investors can get ahead if they take a long-term view, which he has done throughout his life. Yahoo Finance, originally at Business Insider, his insights on the advancements in AI and technology indicate that sectors like tech and healthcare could see substantial growth. But it also means that industries unable to adapt could be left behind. Finally, his thoughts on climate change and sustainability highlight the growing importance of investing in businesses that are not just profitable, but also responsible and sustainable. As we stand at the cusp of 2024, these predictions remind us that the future of the economy is not set in stone. It is shaped by our decisions, our strategies, and our willingness to adapt to change. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. Please comment on what you think 2024 holds for investors, and please subscribe if you haven't yet.